Now most of the songs I'm about to show you have a unique strumming pattern to them. Maybe not absolutely unique, but in combination with the chord patterns, it does mark the song as being instantly recognisable. Let me show you what I mean. So strumology is my term for what I believe is the most important element of Campfire guitar, and that is what happens at this end of the guitar, where all the magic and all this, I guess the feel of the song comes about. So if you love to strum, or you're just looking for some new songs to add to your Campfire guitar playing repertoire, then stick around. Right, this first song, the strum pattern sounds like this when I mute the strings, which sounds completely unremarkable, but when I throw in the two opening chords, which is the D sus2 and the A, this is the song you'll know straight away. I'm tired of the city light, summer's on the run, and so on. Of course it's April sun in Cuba. So I'm not going to play the whole song for you. This is just a bit of a taster to give you a sense of some strums that absolutely define the song. Let's get on to song number 2. Okay, this next song, here's the strumming pattern with me muting the strings. Again, it sounds highly unremarkable until I throw in the chords, 3 simple chords, the A, the D and the G. Let's do it. So that of course is Give a Little Bit by Supertramp. I mean the song then breaks into a regular sort of strum and the vocals come in. But that strumming intro, again, people know that song straight away. And the best part is it's not that hard to play. Okay, this next song is a classic rock song from the 80s based on an A minor and an F, simple chords, but it's all about the strum. I'll do the muted strum for you first, which is just a quick up, down, up, down, up, down. But when you throw the chords in with a bit of chord muting and some scratching of the strings, which is like this, you'll hear the song straight away. Let's do it. Of course it is Eye of the Tiger by Survivor. That's right, bit of a one-hit wonder I think they were. Okay, this next song will be instantly recognisable to anyone who grew up in Australia and New Zealand. It is one of those classic Aussie pub favourite songs. Internationally, not sure how well known the song is, but it was from Australian Crawl, and here is the muted strum pattern. Which sounds really, really simple and basic, but again, when I bring in the chords, the A minor, the F and the G, this is how it sounds. Let me tell you about my mountain home, where all the letter names are John. Boys Light Up. So I won't play the whole song for you, but here's the transition to the chorus for those of you that know the song. Yeah, the boys light up, and the boys light up, and the boys light up, and the boys light up, light up, light up, and the boys light up. Right, this next song is my hands down favourite song by Kiss. It's based on an E minor and an A minor with a couple of little, I guess, pinky hammer-ons. If you want to know how to play the song properly, again, I've done a full lesson on this, I'll leave the link above. Let's get into it. Here is the muted strum to this song. So it's that quick down, 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 down strums. Let's bring in the chords in the intro now. Give it all to you in the darkness, and so I'm like, there's so much I want to do. And then the chorus, I was made for loving you, baby, you were made for loving me. E minor, E minor, E minor, E minor, A minor, loving me. So on like that. Pretty cool song, all about the strumming and that little chord technique.
Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new Songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire.
Well, I absolutely love this next song by US band Train. It's a high-paced song, but it's just a beautiful one to sing along to. Now here's the strum without the chords, down, down, and it's got the basic 4-chord sequence of a G, a D, an E minor and a C. I'm going to put a capo on the 3rd fret and you'll know the song straight away. Hey, 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 your lipstick stains on the front lobe of my left side brains. I knew when we collided, you're the one I had decided is one of my kind. Skip to the chorus. Hey soul sister, that mister on the radio, stereo, the way you move ain't fair, you know. Hey soul sister, I don't wanna miss a single thing you do tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Whoops, nah. Finish on a G, and my voice is a bit scratchy on that one. Doesn't matter. It's just a great song to strum, high tempo strum, and a great one to sing to. For those of you who are around in the 80s like I was, this is one of U2's earliest songs, and it does have a distinct strumming pattern when it's combined with the chords. Now let me do the strum without the chords. So this is how the song sounds: a B minor, an E minor, and an A. Let's do it now. I know a girl called Party girl. I know she wants more than a party girl, and she won't tell me her name. Oh no, not me. This final song is seriously one of the most epic songs ever written, ever. Big statement, but when you hear the song you know what I mean. Guns N' Roses, Sweet Child of Mine. Now I'm not going to play the whole thing, I've done a full lesson on this, again leave the link up there and below. Of course this song starts with one of the most epic intro riffs of all time done by Slash. You can actually do it on the acoustic guitar based on the chord of D. Now I do a full lesson on this particular song, so check out the link up there or below. I'm not going to do that, I'm going to focus on the outro of the song where the strumming really comes into play, and I'll put the chords on the screen there so you know what I'm doing, but let's make a start. So